Welcome to Ashton's Crunchy Kitchen. Today we're going to be making deer nachos. Let's get started. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While your oven's preheating, you want to take your deer meat and brown it on the stovetop. Get that deer meat browned, y'all. Where did I get this deer meat, you asked? Well, I think it'd be better if I just showed y'all where I got it from. From this hunk of meat right here. But he doesn't want to be in the camera today, so. But he will try this. He will try these nachos at the end with me, so stick around. I don't know if Rome will try it at the end or not because Andrew's over here feeding him like 10 different pouches of vegetables and fruit, plus Sammy Jammies. If you want to see them, here he is.
Plus French fries and chicken.
Oh yeah, plus French fries and chicken. He don't like to wait for dinner. You need 1/3 cup of water. My small measuring cup is dirty, so we're using my large measuring cup for 1/3 of a cup of water. Anyways, what y'all been up to? I know it's been a while. I've been working. I don't love to work, but I guess the place I work isn't too bad. But it's accounting. I've never heard of anyone say that they love accounting. Once your meat is brown and you don't see any more pink in your meat, you put in the 1/3 cup of water. Then you put in some taco seasoning. I'm using Siete taco seasoning. And I'm using mild because my family's a little sensitive to the heat, y'all. Stir it. Now that we have the seasoning in, we are going to open up some refried pinto beans and plop those in there with our meat. Guys, that can opener is so awesome. Look, it just takes it off like a little top. If you wanted to just put it back on there and not use it, you could. Anyways, we're using it. Also guys, I wanted to tell y'all I'm using Nature's Promise organic refried pinto beans. Okay guys, let's shred some cheese. We got our old crock cheddar that we always use because it's the best. Always buy blocks, don't buy pre-shredded. That stuff is just nasty. And we got this nifty cheese shredder that my friend got me for Christmas. I'm just gonna do all this cheese, y'all. Y'all know I like cheese. And I have a honey badger back here that likes to eat my cheese before I even get to cook with it, so. Next, we're gonna shred some Monterey Jack cheese. This is just Food Lion's brand of Monterey Jack. Get her done, get her done, get her done. I'd say we have enough cheese, y'all. What do you think? Line a rimmed baking sheet with tinfoil. Next, you wanna put a bag of tortilla chips on your baking sheet. I'm just using a bag of tortilla chips. Your girl, I don't have time to make tortilla chips. So top your tortilla chips with your deer meat and pinto bean mixture. You just want to spread that mixture as good as you can. It's not going to be an even layer because this stuff don't spread easy. But next you want to top it with cheese. Once you have this cheese on top, pop this bad boy in the oven at 400 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. While that's in the oven, we're going to dice 3 of these odd looking tomatoes. Roma tomatoes, that's what they're called, all right? Oh, I wanted to tell you guys also, I know that all of us love movies and TV shows. I have been watching Working Moms, and I just think it's hilarious. I watched Elemental. It's a kid's show. It is so cute, y'all. You have to watch it. I mean, it's even cute if you don't have a baby. I've watched it like 50 times, and I watch it even when Rowan falls asleep. So, what should I watch next? 2 tomatoes are gonna go on top of the nachos. But 1 tomato is gonna go in this blender because we're gonna make a sauce to go on top. Now we're going to dice up an onion. Half of this onion is gonna go on top of the nachos. The other half is gonna go in our sauce.
That's my favorite onion right there. Look at that.
Do y'all's husbands tack salt on onions? Like, do y'all's husbands just eat raw onions off of your cutting board?
If they got balls.
So put this half straight in the blender. All right, put like 2 dollops of sour cream in here. Now you're gonna put a squirt of sriracha sauce. I'm using Sky Valley sriracha. Put your top with blades on top. There you have it, your homemade taco sauce. Put that to the side, because now you need to chop up some cilantro. The nachos are done and Andrew's gonna take them out for us.
Look at that.
Let's take a vote. How many of you guys like cilantro and how many of you don't? If you like cilantro, like the video. If you don't, comment. All right guys, look at these nachos. Now let's add our vegetables. We got some onions. Now add your tomatoes. Add some sour cream. Add some of your homemade sauce. And now you want to add your cilantro. Guys, oh my gosh, these look so amazing. Look at these bad boys. Woo! We're gonna try them. All right guys, it's time to try these nachos.
Yeah, that's good. I didn't know about your sauce, to be honest, but that's pretty good. That's good.
Hot dang, I did it, y'all. Wow. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's a thumbs up from me. 2 thumbs up from Andrew. Anyways, let's go eat these nachos. If you like the content that you saw today, make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you want to see more of. Until next time, goodbye. Andrew, where are the nachos at?